I think one of the things that needs to be considered as well are the ancillary processes that people maybe don't consider as much. So pretty boring stuff in some ways, such as media prep, viral vector prep. It's fine to blend media under a hood for 1, 2, 3, 4 patients. If you start treating in your target space, making doses for hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of patients per year, ultimately, that's a much greater challenge. And so automation around some of the ancillary processes can really help drive down your operator costs as well. I guess finally, the thing that impacts cost is scalability. So in the allogeneic space, for example, how big is a batch? Right. So maybe upstream, you can make a dose for 1,000 patients, but can all the rest of your process steps align with that? So, for example, maybe after your culture phase, you've got enough cells for 1,000 doses, but can you actually formulate and freeze 1,000 doses at the same time?